razor sharp and ready to strike. That's the design concept of the new GSX S1000. The birth of a completely new GSX-S with aggressive styling that is one of a kind. Its lines are sharp, the new headlight design is radical, and the slim front and rear end sections highlight the muscular bulk of the midsection. Everything combines to create an aggressive stance that speaks of power and performance. The radical design of the new stacked LED headlight assembly and sharp lines of the front end take inspiration from jet fighters. The winglets, reflective of recent Suzuki MotoGP design trends, add a sharper look reminiscent of cutting-edge performance. The design of the massive fuel tank combines with the side cowl to give a heightened, aggressive, but stylish appearance. And the tank's capacity increased from 17 to 19 liters from the previous model, which means less time spent refueling and more time to enjoy riding. Taken together, these elements form a futuristic design of a dauntless face that is razor sharp and ready to strike. The beauty of naked aggression. That's the product concept of the new GSX S1000. It's a street fighter that brings the pleasure and beauty of sport riding to every outing. The 999 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled inline-4 engine is based on the power unit from the GSX R1000. It delivers powerful torque smoothly from low to high RPMs. A variety of parts have been redesigned to improve output while also meeting Euro 5 standards. All this means more exciting and fun riding than ever before. A broader, smoother torque curve with greater overall cumulative torque production delivers consistently abundant power across the engine's operating range. Most notable in the mid to high RPM range, the enhanced torque output makes for a more exciting riding experience. Response that is faithful to the rider's intention makes it easier to control and more fun to ride. When traveling above mid-range speeds, the excitement of torque and exhilaration of acceleration reaches a new level. The Suzuki Clutch Assist System, SCAS, provides smooth shifting and engine response during braking and corner entry, while also realizing a lighter touch to clutch lever operation. This also contributes to reducing fatigue when riding in traffic jams. The advanced electronic systems of the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System help make the new GSX S1000 more controllable, more predictable, and less tiring to operate. They instill greater confidence and enable the rider to concentrate on enjoying the ride. Suzuki Drive Mode Selector, SDMS, offers 3 mode settings: A, Active, B, Basic, and C, Comfort. Mode A provides the sharpest throttle response and torque characteristics finely tuned to deliver exciting acceleration. It is well suited for use when hitting the throttle hard, such as when enjoying a sporty run on winding roads in good weather. In contrast, Mode B features more linear power delivery with softer throttle response. Tuned to make the bike more controllable and instill confidence when accelerating, it makes it a good fit for everyday riding. Mode C provides the softest throttle response and more gentle torque characteristics that make the bike more obedient and controllable when riding on wet or slippery surfaces. It also mitigates sudden acceleration and increases confidence when riding on typical city streets. Peak power at full throttle is the same for all 3 modes. The Suzuki traction control system brings greater control and confidence with less stress and fatigue. And the new 5-mode version for the GSX S1000 is designed to better satisfy the diverse needs and differing skill levels of more riders. Continuously monitoring front and rear wheel speed, engine RPM, throttle position, and gear position. The system is designed to immediately limit power and help prevent slipping when an imminent loss of traction is detected. The higher number the mode setting, the faster and more proactive the system is in limiting wheel spin. The new ride-by-wire throttle system is now simpler, lighter, and more compact than the previous mechanical system. Thanks to this electronically controlled throttle, power output comes on in more linear fashion as the throttle is open. This means the relation between the desired power and actual engine output matches seamlessly, so the rider can enjoy operating the throttle in intuitive fashion. Standard equipment bi-directional quick shift system can be used for both upshifting and downshifting, enabling more aggressive and sportier riding. In addition, reduced clutch operation in heavy traffic and extended city riding reduces fatigue. The Suzuki Easy Start system starts the engine with just one quick press of the starter button, supporting convenience for daily use. Suzuki's low RPM assist function is updated to make pulling away from a standing start even smoother and easier, and to improve control and operation in stop-and-go traffic. The advanced chassis design is compact and lightweight, making the GSX S1000 agile and fun to ride. Expressing the beauty of nimble handling, the chassis reflects a focus on control in real-world conditions, whether riding on city streets or twisting mountain roads. The twin-spar aluminum frame helps to ensure nimble handling and great road holding ability. The sturdy aluminum alloy swing arm comes straight from the GSX R1000. Designed for comfortable sport riding, the rider's seat offers greater rear support and freedom of movement. The rubber mounts for the new upper bracket and handlebar holder lessen vibration to reduce fatigue during everyday city riding or on the open road on the weekend. The wider grip of the new handlebars keeps the rider in a comfortable upright position and reduces the force needed to steer the front end. The new GSX S1000 is equipped with the top-of-the-line radial mount Brembo monoblock calipers in the front that provide powerful stopping power. The 43mm diameter Kayaba inverted, fully adjustable front forks give a ride that is sporty yet plush. Precise settings are possible to meet the rider's taste, realize nimbler handling, and improve the feeling of steering into corners. The link-type rear suspension with rebound damping and spring preload adjustment works in harmony with the aluminum alloy swing arm, inherited directly from the GSX R1000, to contribute to greater agility and stability, while allowing up to 130mm of rear wheel travel. Dunlop's new Road Sport 2 radial tires are custom engineered to perform optimally on the GSX S1000. Features include an updated internal construction, a level of rigidity matched to the bike's weight and performance characteristics, and a new compound with an optimized tread pattern that realizes good wet grip and faster warm-up. These traits combine with the front and rear suspension settings to achieve an ideal ride. A pair of newly developed Koito headlights employs a compact and lightweight monofocus LED light source that clearly illuminates the road ahead. Vertically stacked, the design of these hexagonal headlight housings topped by an LED position light creates a sharp new look that adds to the aggressive stance of the new GSX S1000. The front and rear LED turn signals are on a thin bar-shaped housing. The new GSX S1000 lighting scheme gives its front a sharp, futuristic look. Thin, flatly shaped rear combination lights use LEDs for high visibility and long life. Their double lens design emphasizes the stylish lines of the compact tail section. The new full LCD brightness adjustable instrument cluster backs a wide range of useful information into a compact display. An inspired blue, the symbol of the GSX-S, was chosen as the panel's background color. A brief custom animation plays when the ignition key is turned on. This playful presentation is pleasing to the eye, heightens anticipation of the ride to come, and instills pride of ownership. A rich lineup of more than 25 genuine accessories designed for the GSX S1000 makes it easy and convenient for owners to enjoy customizing and personalizing their rides.